Robots are playing important role in modern automation technology for more than 50 years. Now the robotic technology has emerged as an important tool in wide area of applications, including space, military, household, medicine, education, and entertainment. Latvia is a part of the global trend, and therefore requires a lot technologically well-educated young people. Riga Technical University has responded to this trend by launching a new study program, Intelligent Robotic Systems, for bachelor and master study levels. The program is implemented and managed by two faculties: Faculty of Computer Science and Information Technology and Faculty of Power and Electrical Engineering. Implemented together, the study program have focus on use of electrical driving systems, modern design methods, and artificial intelligence, thereby staying in line with the most advanced technological solutions and trends. Riga Technical University provides the most advanced laboratories established by ABB and Festo that are available for studies, thesis projects, and enthusiastic activities. Our enthusiasts already have won several of the most important sumo robot competitions in the world: RoboGames and Robot Challenge. Become our student and join a truly exciting robotics community and be professional off top of the technology available in automation today.